Welcome to 141 Bayberry Trail, a coastal paradise where modern elegance meets timeless tranquility.
Nestled on a half-acre waterfront lot with 100 feet of canal front, you'll enjoy direct access to Jean Guyte Creek and Currituck Sound, perfect for kayakers, boaters, and nature lovers alike.
Picture yourself hosting lively gatherings on this expansive back deck, or unwinding by the fire pit, all while soaking in the peaceful sounds of water gently flowing.
Built in 2023, this custom-designed beach chalet offers versatility with a private downstairs apartment that opens up endless opportunities. Whether you're looking to generate rental income or provide comfortable one-level living for parents, this turnkey unit is a true asset.
The downstairs apartment features its own entrance, one bedroom, one bath layout, and a kitchenette, completely separate from the main home. With the option to expand it to 2 bedrooms, you can maximize its potential for multi-generational living or an additional income stream.
Meanwhile, the main home shines with cathedral ceilings, natural light, and a stunning open concept that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces.
The kitchen is outfitted with luxury appliances, quartz countertops, and an extended island, making it perfect for entertaining. And don't forget the practical perks: energy-efficient LP gas water heaters, dual HVAC systems, RV hookups, fiber internet, and LED lighting. Smart details that elevate everyday living.
Set on a quiet, no-through street between the beach and the Sound, this home offers the perfect balance of a peaceful retreat and a coastal adventure with income potential built right in.
Ready to make 141 Bayberry Trail your dream home or a smart investment? Let's explore today. For more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below, or for a private showing, please give us a call.